Welcome guys, welcome to my ASP.NET MVC web application development course. In this exciting series, we will explore the fundamentals of building robust web applications using ASP.NET MVC framework. Before we dive in, let's go over the prerequisites. To make the most of this course, you will need some softwares like Visual Studio. Go to your browser and type Visual Studio 2019 download. Go to official link of Microsoft, scroll down here 2019, click on download button. If you have any problem in downloading, please refer my video. I already created one video on how to install Visual Studio. I will give link in the description. Okay, the second software is Microsoft SQL Server. Microsoft SQL Server. Okay, go to first link of official Microsoft page. Scroll down. Download the Express edition. Okay, click on download button. After clicking the download button, you got this file. When you open this file, some screen pop up and you have to download only the basic version of SQL Server, right? Then third software is Microsoft Management Studio. Okay, go to first link. Here is the link for downloading SSMS. Basically, SSMS is Management Studio. Here, this software helps in to write SQL queries, and this is a server only. Okay. And we need some basic knowledge also, like basic of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. If you have a good understanding of these prerequisites, you are all set to embark on this learning journey. Throughout this course, we will cover essential concepts, best practices and hands-on coding exercises to create dynamic web applications. By the end, you will have a solid foundation in ASP.NET MVC and to be equipped with the skills to build your own web projects. So, are you ready to unlock the power of ASP.NET MVC? Let's get started.